Hi, today I'm sharing an interesting investment idea which many prominent investors and SEBI registered RAs are advising. It is silver, which is also known as the gold of the poor people. So, we are speaking about the changes in the price of silver for around 50 years. These are not an investment tip, rather, this could be used for educational purpose, and I'm not a SEBI registered RA to speak upon any investment suggestions. So, I am presenting a price chart of silver from the year 1975 to the present day. As you can see, the silver price was at 1128 odd for a kg during 1975, which has crossed 1,33,000 odd for a kg today. Here you can see the price during 10th December 1979 as 4,980 per kg, and if you see the price of silver on 4th February 1980, it shot up to 8,917 per kg, which means it almost doubled from December levels in just 2 months. On 13th May 1980, the price of silver per kg fell to 3,240, which means a fall of more than 50% from the February highs. This clearly tells how volatile investing in silver is. So, whenever investing and wherever you invest, please get suggestions and tips from a SEBI registered RA. From here on, I would like to discuss this price movement of silver on a 5-year basis. This is to make sure that this video is not getting too lengthy, but kindly spare just 5 minutes of your valuable time. On 28th January 1985, the silver price for 1 kg was 2,418, which clearly says that over a 5-year period, there was no growth at all. Rather, you could say over this period, there was a negative growth. Then we fast forward to 31st January 1990 and the silver price per kg is 2,839, which means a 20% growth on 1985 level over a period of 5 years. On 6th February 1995, the price is at 4,735 per kg. Over this period, we could see a good momentum, like somewhere around 60 to 70% growth. So, we reached 28 January 2000, where the silver price is 7,536 per kilogram. So, during these 5 years, there was a growth of around 60%, which means someone who invested during 1990 and remained an investor for a period of 10 years, then the value of that investment could have almost tripled. A 1 lakh investment in 1990 means a 3 lakh value on 2000. On 26 January 2005, the price of silver reached 9,528 per kg. This period gave a return of around 15%, which was not a great return. Moving on to 8th January 2010, the price of silver reached 26,938. This 5-year period gave a massive return of around 300%, which means a return of around 3 times. A 1 lakh investment could have turned 3 lakh during this 5-year period. And please note, this period was actually a boom period for silver. Also, you can see the price of silver on 1st December 2008. It was at 15,040 per kg. It climbed to a dream price for silver to 68,938 on 29th April 2011. Then we could see a downfall from this high levels to 34,040 during 9th February 2015. For the next 5 years, the silver price remained almost same and could see a negative return during this period. And on 23rd March 2020, the silver price was 32,337, which was just before COVID-19 lockdown. The price then shot up to 62,363 per kg on 12th August 2020, which means people who managed to invest on silver during the COVID-19 phase got their price with a 200% return in just 5 months. It gradually fell from the all-time highs of 62,363 to 49,619 levels in another 2 years. This was a negative return period. On 31st January 2025, the silver price touched 87,320 per kg with a return of around 300% from the March 2020 price. And it is making all-time highs on almost every day. The silver price touched 1,33,989 on 29th September 2025. So, in just 9 months, silver gave more than 50% return. From 2020 March levels, the silver price gave more than 400% return. And as per the economists, there could be a recession in US anytime soon, because of which both index and gold or silver is at record high. Usually these perform in opposite ways. Think, research, and take opinions from investment firms and act accordingly.